Go bright and take flight with Legends Evolved Dragon and Viking toys. You've never seen dragons like this before. Now buckle up for some legendary adventures. Hey Astrid, look what I found.
It's a scroll.
Not just any scroll, a scroll with a map to the Pool of Destiny.
We've explored every corner of Berk, and I've never heard of the Pool of Destiny.
Apparently it's a hidden pool of water, and if you look into it, you can see your future.
A window into the future? We've got to check this out.
According to the scroll, it looks like we have to complete some specific tasks before we see into the future. First, we'll fly upside down through the mist mire. Here we go! Flip!
We've never done this before. I think Toothless and Stormfly liked that.
Oh boy, I think they'll like the next task too.
What is it?
Fly through Mud Geyser Run.
Oh, boy is right.
Is that a poncho?
I always bring a poncho, just in case.
Okay, bud, let's try not to get soaked.
There you go, Stormfly. Right, left.
Okay, sure, great.
This is fun.
Not exactly my idea of fun.
What's the last task?
Cliff diving at the cliffs of Swine Snout. It's almost as if the dragons planned this.
It'll be all worth it when we see our future.
Here we are, the Pool of Destiny.
Where is it? I don't see any pool.
According to the map, it should be here. Hey, look at that. Toothless found the pool. Thanks, bud.
It's lovely, but how do you see your future?
We've completed the tasks. Now all we have to do is gaze into the water to reveal the vision.
You try it first, then I'll go.
Okay, here goes nothing. Looking into the water, waiting to see my future. Anytime now. All right, nothing's happening.
Maybe you need to lean closer.
Okay, closer to the water. Wait. I think I see something.
What is it?
Hard to see. Let me get closer. It's. Hey!
Got you! This was all the dragon's idea. Hey, it was fun, right?
I guess the Pool of Destiny was right. My future looks fun when you're all in it. The adventure never ends with Legends Evolved Dragon and Vikings toys. Just wait till you see what fun they have next time.